Back to part 2 of my PR haul unboxing. Guys, I was just showing you this from Merit Beauty, and wow, I was playing with it, and this brush feels so incredible. There's literally no words for how good it feels, and it's just making everything super well blended. This is an award-winning brush. I think it won the Allure Best of Beauty. And then they also sent me, this is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So I can't wait to try this, and I will be back to play with it with you dolls. We'll test it out together. But look at this, you guys. Lancome sent me this beautiful package here. I literally could not believe my eyes. I used to save every penny I had to purchase this, and for them to send me this. Okay, let's start from the beginning. The reveal. Oh, this is just everything. This is the Lancome Genifique, and this is the Youth Serum. It does give firmness, it firms up your skin, brightness, reduces wrinkles, fine lines. This is everything. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy. And the package is just beautiful that it came in. So I'm definitely keeping this box because it's just so gorgeous with the polka dots and the blue I love. So thank you so much, Lancome. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for sending me these amazing PR items to try out and experiment and play with you beauties. So then, you guys, I got this from Undone Beauty, and Undone Beauty is clean beauty. They're at Target. They're also at Ulta. So they sent me a bunch of these summer essentials, they said, so that you can get a glowing skin look without the sun, of course. This is the #1 way to go. As soon as I go in the sun, oh my gosh, I thought, you know, sunscreen doesn't matter. I was so textured, wrinkles, everything you name it, after 1 week of no. I stopped wearing sunscreen for like a week. I don't know what possessed me. But oh my god, you guys, look. Oh, look at this. They have lip liners. I didn't know that. Are these lip liners? These are gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'll be back and we'll play with these and test them out because the shades look so beautiful. And then look at this beautiful highlighter palette. It looks like I have tried. They have a lot of different colors of that palette. I can't wait. I'll be back though, and we'll do clean beauty makeup look using all clean beauty makeup to see what we come up with. I have tried this Big Papa lip gloss. It's amazing. I picked this up at Ulta normally. But finally, guys, I gotta show you one more thing. Thank you so much to Undone Beauty. I will be back and we'll play with everything and test it out. But you guys, look at these new Wet n Wild Mega Last lip liners and lipsticks now at Ulta. OMG, they sent me all of these. Thank you so much, Wet n Wild. I will be back to do a look and play with these, but these are new at Ulta. So, oh, I can't wait to play with these guys. I will be back soon though, and I'll swatch them out and play